Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, the Typhur Sync Oven with smart wireless meat thermometer probe. We've added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability, so be sure to take a look. Now, let's talk about what exactly this product is. The Typhur Sync Oven is a 12-in-1 countertop Airfryer Toaster Combo that's designed to make cooking easier and more precise. With a spacious 27-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves to host gatherings. This oven combines multiple cooking functions into one sleek design, which means you can roast, bake, air fry, broil, and even dehydrate. Essentially, it does it all. One of the standout features of the Typhur Sync Oven is its world-first built-in wireless meat probe. This innovative technology allows you to cook your meat to perfection without any guesswork. Simply insert the probe, set your desired doneness, and the oven will monitor the core temperature in real time. What's even better is that it features a smart remove temp auto shutoff, which prevents overcooking. Say goodbye to the days of constantly checking if your chicken is done or if your roast has reached the right temperature. Another impressive feature is the 360 degrees turbo convection system. With dual heating elements and a 2,400 revolutions per minute fan, heat is evenly circulated throughout the oven. This means faster and more efficient cooking, up to 30% quicker than traditional ovens. Whether you're air frying wings, roasting veggies, or baking cookies, you can expect a golden, crispy exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. It's a great way to achieve healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. For those who love to explore different cooking styles, the Typhur Sync Oven offers tremendous versatility. With a wide temperature range of 85 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 3 fan speeds, you can choose from 12 cooking modes, including roast, bake, air fry, broil, and more. Plus, you have access to approximately 35 step-by-step recipes through the Typhur app, along with 15 printed recipes to get you started. The app is continually updated, providing you with new inspiration and guidance whenever you need it. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking for quick meal solutions, a novice cook aiming to master the art of cooking, or even a seasoned chef wanting to experiment with new techniques, the Typhur Sync Oven is for you. Its smart features make it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to achieve chef-quality results with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a family dinner and being able to roast a large chicken while simultaneously air frying crispy potatoes, all without needing to juggle multiple appliances. Or picture meal prepping for the week, whipping up healthy snacks like dehydrated fruit or veggie chips with ease. The Typhur Sync Oven makes it all possible, turning complex cooking tasks into simple ones. In summary, the Typhur Sync Oven with smart wireless meat thermometer probe is a game-changer in the kitchen. Its innovative features, cooking versatility, and user-friendly design make it perfect for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills. If you're ready to master every meal with precision, this oven could be the perfect addition to your countertop. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.